Of course. Yesterday, I came in your dream, mashallah. So, what was the dream all about? Thank you so much, guys. You know, hello, Soib Khan. What was your dream? That I spunk you? I was thinking that I spunk you because always in my dreams I always spunk someone. I always I always spunk someone. That is the thing. Yeah. Ay, naambot ko sa iyang dream ba? That was naughty. Yeah, I was even thinking that what was the dream all about? Probably I was running because you are just catching me and then I spunk you. Dream pa more. It's really nice, guys. Could you imagine that someone is you when you are just sleeping? You dream of someone that you didn't even know. You never even across. Like drama ka. No, it's really true. Sometimes delicious. Like you are just staring the pictures or the videos of the person. So it really like occupied your mind, your dreams. It happened to me when I was even staring with with sino ba tong crush ko? I don't know if he died already, but one of my crush was Leonardo DiCaprio. I was dreaming of him. Tingnan mo, 69, no? Dahil si Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't get spunk. Spunk! Just only spunk from my palm. Not from any other around. Is it? Really? It's your boyfriend? Oh my God. I was dreaming of him. Yeah, Leonardo DiCaprio. Because it was like a Titanic. When I was just watching that. And I think I watched that Titanic more than 10 times. Yeah, I was watching that movie. Because I was really totally in love by, Rose Beauty. Hello, Jumpy. Thank you for that amazing gift. Thank you so much, Jumpy, for the heart. Thank you for the big heart. Yeah, it's my name, Big Heart. Thank you. Big respect to you. Thank you. So, so it was really. Let's get back to that dreaming. Thank you, Jumpy. I was just like mesmerized by the beauty of Rose. So, and then of course, because I was watching both of them. I was even dreaming of them, both of them, Rose and Leonardo DiCaprio. Yeah, it was like long time ago, guys. But I don't know, there's no any movie of Leonardo DiCaprio recently. Hello, CJ. How are you? Pa-shoutout po sa tito ko sa Japan na si Agusta Mood. Mood or Mood? Hello, Ronnie. Ronnie Gavino. How are you? Thank you so much. Hoy, sa Japan, ang galing nun ha. Saan sa Japan? Because we have Naruto here. Naruto? Naruto or Nasuto? Naruto, right? Naruto, the one who's just giving me gift a while ago. It was his name, Naruto. Shout out from New Zealand. Hello, CJ. I was thinking that CJ is one of my friend because like I have a good friend of mine. His name is CJ also. Hello, Carlos. How are you? Where have you been? Pa-shout out from Alriga do. Maka-Alriga ka be. Nasa ano ka, di ba? Nasa Cebu ka. Grabe siya, maka-Alriga. Sa bagay, kasi you stayed here also in Alriga. I'm actually in Alriga. Currently, guys, not that much far from Alriga. But Isab. Okay. I am staying here near to Alriga, like Dera. Dera, in between Dera to Almurakabat.